Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepared Camping, and today I'm going to show you how you refill these windproof lighters. This works for Zippos as well as this cheap generic one I have. So we just open it up and take out the insert. And this is our fuel reservoir under this little pad. We can fill it up through that hole. Now on both this cheap copy and on the proper Zippo lighters, it says to lift this up to expose the cotton fibres underneath and fill directly into that, but you don't need to. So I'm just going to go straight into that central opening. And then you just simply keep squeezing the fuel in until it drips out at the top. Quite simple really. And these lighters are fantastic. They're very easy to use, very easy to fill, and they're quite good to be used outdoors because they're windproof. So basically every fire kit should have one. And not just fire kits, they're also handy for sealing off the ends of paracord or something like that. Now I don't know if you noticed, but that just dripped out the bottom. I was going to just fit it back into the top again. And there you have it. Thanks for watching. Any questions? Leave them in the comments box below.